Once upon a time, there was a young boy who visited his grandfather during his summer holidays. The boy loved spending time with his grandpa, and one day he asked him how to become successful when he grew up. His grandpa took him to a nearby nursery and bought some small plants. He then planted one plant inside the house and another outside. Grandpa asked the boy which of the plants would grow better in the future. The boy answered that the plant inside the house would grow better because it was safe from every danger, while the plant outside was at risk of many things such as strong sunlight, storm, rain, and animals. Grandfather smiled and said, "Let's see what happens in the future." After that, the boy left. Years passed, and the boy returned to visit his grandfather. He asked him, "Grandpa, last time I asked you how to be successful in life, but you didn't tell me anything. But this time you have to tell me." Grandfather smiled and said, "Sure, but first let's take a look at the plants we bought a few years ago." Grandfather took the boy to see the small plant he had planted inside the house and the one he had planted outside. They saw that the small plant had turned into a big plant, and the one outside had grown into a giant tree. Grandfather asked the boy which plants grew more and was more successful. The boy replied, "The one who we planted outside." Grandfather explained that the plant outside had to face many challenges, but dealing with the problems had its benefits too. The plant outside had the freedom to spread its root as much as it wanted. Problems like storms and heavy rain made it grow even stronger, and today it is so strong that a small storm cannot cause any harm to it, while the plant inside remained small and weak because it did not withstand with the heavy storm, rain, and strong sunlight. Grandfather looked at his grandson and said, "My son, always remember that unless you struggle in life, unless you go through difficulties, you too will not be able to achieve success in your life. If you make comfortable choices, you will not be able to grow as you can. But if you are ready to struggle and go through difficulties, then no goal is impossible for you to achieve. Therefore, never think of problems as hurdles, but think of them as a stepping stones toward success." The boy took a deep breath and looked at the tree. The words of his grandfather were echoing in his mind. Obstacles, which we consider as enemies in our life, the same obstacles make us stronger and more successful in our life. Often in our lives, we have to face challenges and difficulties due to which many times we get disappointed and lose the courage to move forward. But the story of the plants teaches us not to be intimidated by challenges, but to see them as an opportunity to learn and grow. Like a plant that was planted outside had to face natural calamities, but with this, it is also had that freedom to spread its root and grow stronger. We can also develop the resilience and determination that are essential to success. Of course, overcoming all challenges is not easy. There will be times when we feel defeated or discouraged, but it is important to remember that these are only temporary setbacks. If we learn from them and keep moving forward, we will eventually overcome and challenges that come our way. So the next time you face a challenges or a difficult time in your life, don't give up. Take advantage of the opportunities to learn and grow, and always remember that the challenges you face today can make you stronger and more successful tomorrow. Thanks a lot. If you like a story, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.